Hello everyone, I am Twinkle Sharma, helping you to crack Microsoft certifications. Today we will discuss about the Azure 900 course, which is a Microsoft Cloud Fundamental Certification, and we will cover up the curriculum of Azure 900 and other things. So the introductions to Azure Fundamentals start. What is Azure 900? The basic questions required. Azure 900 is an entry level certification from Microsoft, designed for anyone who wants to understand the basic of cloud computing and Microsoft Azure. Then, what will you will learn? Cloud concepts. What is cloud computing? Learn about IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or a software as a service. Azure services. Explore core products of Azure like virtual machines, web apps, Azure storage, computing services, and other databases. We can say Azure pricing and supports. We will learn here. Understand how Azure charges for services, service level agreements, which is a SLAs, and support options. Security, compliance, and privacy, we will also learn that. Learn how Azure projects your data and follows regulatory standards. Azure management tools. Get familiar with tools like the Azure portal, Azure CLI, and ARM template. Who should take AZ 900? Beginners in cloud computing, no tech background will be required. You will learn what cloud computing is, its types, and how is the pricing work. As I have already tell you, it's a perfect course for if you are a student, career switcher, or just a beginner in a cloud. Okay. So business and sales professionals working with the cloud projects can also should take this, students and career switchers who want to enter in the IT world, right? Then, what is the exam information of this course? Azure 900. The format is multiple choice questions. You will get the MCQs, and duration of this course is 60 minutes. And the cost of this course is 99 USD. Maybe vary by the country, just like India has the another cost, and Australia and Dubai has the another cost because of their currencies. No prerequisites required. You have no requirement of technical knowledge. Why is it 900? Is it worth it? The basic questions we have arrived in our mind. Yes, it is worth it because great starting point. If you are a new to cloud and IT in general, AZ 900 gives you a solid foundation in cloud concepts and Microsoft Azure without needing technical experience. Boost your resume. Even though it's a entry level, it shows you are serious about learning Azure. You understand basic cloud terminology and services. You are building your certification path. Just if you want to proceed for the administration level or the expert level, or if you want to go for the networking and for the development, just like a DevOps and the Python, and if you want to proceed for the AI concepts, you can go through. It is the basic course, the Azure 900, widely recognized. It is a globally recognized certifications. Employers, especially those using Microsoft technologies, recognize Azure 900 and often look for it in junior and non-tech roles like sales, project management, support, marketing, and in technical environments also. Low risk, low cost. No prerequisites, easy to prepare, often in 1 to 2 weeks, and relatively cheap certifications, approx 99 USD, when it might not be worth it. If you already have experience with Azure or cloud platform, if you are planning to dive straight into a technical role, then maybe go for Azure 104 or 204, or we can say Azure 305, Azure another courses such as networking, DevOps, and others. If your company role and doesn't involve cloud or Microsoft technology at all, it is not worth for that position also. Then how to study? We can study through free resources, or we can study through Microsoft learn, and YouTube channels. And also, you know that there is paid resources such as paid training institutes, Udemy courses, learning from any institute, or technical corporate trainings. Here we will end up these things. I hope you will get all the information regarding Azure 900. Follow me for more quick tips and help you learn the fast and get certifications. Bye bye.